Hi everyone, welcome back to a small engine repair tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the main body pump check valve. Today we have these three different main body check valve. One from the GX25 and one from this Walbro, I guess, and one is the brand new Chinese main body replacement check valve. So the main purpose of the check valve is right here is to allow fuel from going to the venturi, to the jet, and it prevents the barometric pressure from going back, as it will affect the performance of the diaphragm. So to quickly show you what it does is when you apply carburetor cleaner from this side. This one is from the GX25 carburetor. That the fluid shouldn't go back to the inside of this metering chamber. So you can see that the fluid is going back into the chamber. But I will show you more focus on this one. So the easy way, inside of the check valve has a disc inside with a rubber disc. So we can replace this one, and we have this different all the tiny discs that we currently have available. But if you don't have access to our store, this is the purpose of this. The purpose of this video is to show you how to make one, which you have able to do it yourself. So let's get started. Okay, the tools that we need for today is we have this caliper to measure the size of the disc. We have this punch hole, guitar string, which is number 1, and the smallest one, and we have this transistor electronic components insulation, thermal conductive insulation. So first is I'm going to show you what it does when with the GX25 main body. Is when you apply a carburetor cleaner from this side, you shouldn't allow the carburetor cleaner from going through that hole there. So see, so you can see that the carburetor cleaner is coming through that tiny holes, which is just the problem with this the carburetor. And the other one, which is this one, which been with me for a while and it's also faulty. So when you apply a carburetor cleaner from this side, and it shouldn't go through that hole on the other side. So you can see that it's coming through that tiny hole there. So that's also faulty. Okay, using the piece of length of the guitar string, just bend the tip of the string. Okay, to remove the rubber, just use this bent string, and you get the rubber disc out. And this is the one that we're going to make or to replace. So the size of this one is 3 mm in diameter with 0.3 mm in thickness. So we have tried a nitrile, ultra nitrile globe 0.22. So we have this one. So what we're going to do is we have to put the carburetor cleaner into and we try to soak this one with the carburetor cleaner and to see if it doesn't swell. So we'll just leave it for a few minutes. So while we're doing that, we have here is an insulator. It's a thermal conductive insulator for a transistor, and I think this is also suitable. And this is I choose this one because you can easily access this one or purchase one from any electronic shop. And the thickness of this one is just exactly 0.3, so it is exactly the same thickness with the original GX25 disc, this one. So we also try to make one from this one. And the good thing with this insulator is made of silicone rubber, which is ideal for petrol or solvent or chemical. And this is not a permanent, this is a temporary. I haven't tried this one on actually running the engine, but this is I believe that this is also suitable for making the disc. So we have here, we just drop this silicone rubber disc that we just made, and we'll see that we see that the globe ultra nitrile rubber, it starts to swollen. It starts to deform, so which is not really ideal for this application. So we'll see what happens with the other one. Okay, while we're waiting for that one, we also need to remove the other check valve. We'll try if we can fix this one as well. So that's the one. It's really hardened. So we can check this one. Okay, and the GX25 main body as well, just clean. So you can see that the globe has expanded twice the diameter of the, and we have this original here. Replace original. It's 3.17. The original is 2.85. So we'll try to make another punch. And we'll try to measure this one. It's 3.36. So we have to go through the next the punch hole. So 2.88. So I think this one that's much better. So just insert this one into the check valve. So I believe this is way too small. That's way too small. So we better use the next one, the next size up. Yeah, the problem when the disc is way too big, it can't move freely inside. So we'll see if this one works. Okay, this one doesn't work properly, so we have to take this one out again, and we have to replace this one with the smaller one. It works fine. And from here, if you apply the carpet cleaner here, it should come out on the other side, which is perfect. So okay, we'll try to fix the other one. So make another one. Okay, so just insert this one, and we test with carpet cleaner. And when you apply from this side, apply from this side, so it's working fine. So see how easy to replace this one. If you don't want to go through this hassle, you can purchase this one from our eBay store. And thanks for watching, and I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching our small engine video repair tutorial for today, and I hope you find it useful and informative. And this is not only applicable for GX25 or GX35 carburetor, but also applicable for other carburetor like Zama or Tilotson. So I hope you find it useful, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment on what you think, and you can fix your check valve carburetor now. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.